It's a hot one here. Ooh, it's a hot one here in Cali. Ooh. Feels good. How you doing, everybody? This is Carol. It's been a tough 2 weeks with all that's going on. So I needed time to, I don't know, I was frozen, let's put it that way. I couldn't film, I couldn't do anything. And today I want to show you something after I cool down. So I know you've seen MARYELLEN After 60, GLITZY, FRITZY, and Melissa 55 show the masks that they bought from me. And first I want to thank them very, very, very much. And I want to thank Happiness Sparkles because she wanted to buy it, but she lives in Canada, so I don't think I could send it to her. So I'm going to put all their links below. And also, let's see, what else? Kristen321, her and her son have purchased. Thank you so much. I'll put her link below. And I want to show you the masks because I only have them displayed on Instagram, so I want to show them to you. Let me tell you how this came about. My son is a clothing manufacturer, and when the COVID virus hit, him and all his workers were out of business. And they were getting about 20% of their salary. So it took him about a week and a half of pacing back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I'm telling you, he does 8 to 9 miles a day trying to figure out what he could do for him and his employees. And he came up with manufacturing masks instead of t-shirts. So this is his way of helping his employees and keeping them employed. And also, oh, I have to tell you, I lost 5 pre-recorded videos, so I was very upset about that. When you are a content creator and you work hard to get your videos recorded, and then they don't record or you lose them. So if you want to know anything about iMovie, I will tell you, but right now we're going to talk about the masks. And let me show you the popular ones. First we have the leopard. And let me tell you that this is triple antibacterial. And then you have a slot here in case you wanted to put something in there. Another protective layer. So that's the leopard. This is the Hawaiian print. How beautiful. This is the gray camo. Beautiful. Let me tell you, all these get so much attention when my daughter wears them and the kids. Woo! This is the black floral. My daughter can't go to the store without people asking her where she got this mask. Now this one doesn't have a slit, but this is very, very comfortable. And this peace sign. Isn't that cute? The flag peace sign? I love it. Also, I have black. The black and the leopard are just flying off the shelves, so sometimes you may have to wait half a week for it, but there's no long waiting for any of these. And if I don't have it, I'll ask you what choice you want. You could just email me down below and I will get your order out. Email me with your name and address and your order. If you want to see them again, I'll put a picture up for you. I also have these boxes of 50 and I could sell them separately. So these are such a beautiful selection. We're going to be wearing masks for a long time and it's going to a good cause. A lot of families are going to be employed because of that. in my next video, I'm going to show you all the jewelry that I've been making. Yes, I do have a hobby. I put them in my eBay store, put them in Poshmark, and I sell them on Instagram, and I have been selling them for years. I've been making jewelry for years. You probably don't know if you're new. But then I got caught up in other things and I stopped making jewelry. But now that I am quarantined and I am looking for things to do, I started making my jewelry again. And they're so, so cute. They're so cute. They're for you, they're for your daughters, they're for your granddaughters. They're so, so cute. I just love them. Now these are not expensive. These name necklaces in black or silver ball chain with any names, any color beads, any color stone, blah, blah, blah. I will show you the ones that I've made in another video, part 2 of this, okay? So stay tuned for part 2. And remember, I am praying for you. Let's pray for the world. We're all going to get through this together. Love you. I'll see you in my next video.